Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to self-prepare for the GMAT Focus edition. First, familiarize yourself with the exam structure, including its three sections: quantitative reasoning, verbal reasoning, and data insights. Take a full-length diagnostic test to pinpoint your strengths and weaknesses across these areas. This initial assessment is crucial for creating an effective study plan. Then, establish a consistent study schedule, aiming for at least 10 to 15 hours per week to ensure steady progress. To prepare effectively, prioritize official GMAT Focus study materials, as they best reflect the actual exam. Concentrate on building a strong foundation in core concepts for each section before moving to more complex questions. For instance, ensure you understand basic algebra and geometry before attempting intricate quantitative problems. Regularly practice solving questions under timed conditions to improve your pacing and efficiency, which is vital for test day success. Consistent practice is key. Take full-length practice tests regularly to simulate the actual exam environment and build stamina. After each test, dedicate significant time to reviewing every question, not just the ones you answered incorrectly. Understand why the correct answer is right and why your chosen answer was wrong. This detailed analysis helps you identify recurring error patterns and refine your strategies, leading to substantial score improvements over time. On test day, prioritize a good night's sleep and a healthy breakfast to ensure you're mentally sharp. Arrive at the test center well in advance, allowing yourself to settle in without rush or stress. Remember to stay calm and focused throughout the exam, trusting in your preparation. After the test, consider your next steps, whether it's applying to programs or exploring further study. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, be sure to check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.